Once upon a time, in a big green jungle, full of tall trees and singing birds, there lived a big lion named Leo. He had shiny golden fur and a loud roar that made all the leaves shake. One sunny day, Leo was napping under a big leafy plant when suddenly, ouch! A sharp thorn poked his paw. Leo opened his eyes and cried, "That really hurts!" Far away, a kind boy named Andy was walking through the jungle. He had run away from a mean man who made him work all day. Andy was hungry and tired, but his heart was full of kindness. As Andy walked, he heard someone crying.
Who's that? He wondered.
He peeked through the bushes and saw a big, giant lion. Leo was holding his paw, and a big thorn was stuck in it. Most kids would run away fast, but not Andy. He said gently,
"Don't worry, Mr. Lion, I'll help you."
Andy slowly walked closer. Leo didn't roar. He just looked at Andy with sad eyes. Andy softly held Leo's paw and then, pop! He pulled the thorn out.
All better now.
Andy smiled. Leo wagged his big tail and gave Andy a big, friendly lion smile. Some days later, Andy was caught by grumpy soldiers. They took him to the king's palace and said, "You'll face a scary lion in the arena." The big gates opened, and out came Leo. Andy's heart went thump thump. Would Leo hurt him? But guess what? Leo didn't growl. He didn't roar. Instead, he ran to Andy, wagged his tail like a happy puppy, and gave Andy a big, wet lion kiss. Everyone gasped, then laughed. The king stood up in surprise. A lion loves this boy. Andy hugged Leo and told everyone,
I helped Leo when he had a thorn in his paw. We are friends.
The king smiled and said,
Any boy who is kind to a lion is very special. You are free, Andy.
The crowd cheered, and Andy and Leo jumped around the arena, happy and free. Even a small act of kindness, like helping someone or sharing your toy, can turn into a big, happy adventure.